Now let's see how we can update a record in our database using query builder. So let's create our function first, then inside this let's call our db table, then our table name again. So to update, first we have to type the condition which record we wanna update. So for example, I want to update a record with the ID of 5, and then I want to type update. After that, which column I want to update. So I want to change the name, and what should be the new name. So for example, let's say updated name, and just return a message also successfully. Now let's go and create a route for this. Route : get update record, and call our controller : class, then our method which is update, the same name we wrote in here. Okay, now let's go to this URL, copy it, paste it here. Okay, we got the success. Now let's go to the database, refresh. Now as you guys can see in here, the name has been changed. If you want to update multiple columns, you can do that also by going to inside our controller. In here, first we change the name to updated name. Let's change it back. For example, let's change the name to 123, then change the slag. So to change another column, you just type the column name, but before that comma, then column name, and after that the value. So the slag is new slag. That's it. Now let's save and go back to the browser, refresh. Okay, we got the success message. Let's go back, refresh. Now in here, as you guys can see, the name has changed to 123, and the slag has been changed to new slag. So to update, you can use this code to update an existing record inside your database.